In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a link for your ChatGPT prompt. We'll walk through a simple process to make it easier for you to share your favorite conversations and prompts with others. Let's get started. First, let's open your web browser and go to Google. Simply type Google into your browser's search bar or directly enter the URL if you prefer. Once you're on the main Google page, it's time to search for ChatGPT. In the search bar, type in ChatGPT and hit enter. This will bring up a number of search results. Look for the official ChatGPT website in the results. It's typically one of the top links you'll see. Click on that link to open up the ChatGPT interface. Once you've accessed the ChatGPT platform, you'll see a list of your conversation history if you're logged in. Browse through your conversations and select the one that contains the prompt you would like to share. This step is essential because you'll need to create a link specifically to this conversation to share the prompt effectively. After you've identified the conversation you want to share, you'll notice a share button within the chat interface itself. Click on this button, and you'll likely see a few different options pop up, including one to copy a link. Click on Copy Link, which will create a shareable URL to the specific conversation you've selected. Now you've got your link. You can paste this URL wherever you want, making it super easy to share with friends or colleagues via email, messaging apps, or even on social media platforms. Just open your email or messaging app, start a new message, and paste the link into the body of your message. It's that easy, and now anyone who receives the link can view the conversation and prompt you've shared. By following these steps, you've learned how to create a link for your ChatGPT prompt effectively. Not only does this facilitate easier sharing of interesting or useful AI interactions, but it also allows others to follow along with your thought process or use the same prompt for their own experimentation. Take advantage of this feature to enhance collaboration and improve how you share AI dialogues. Thanks for following along. Happy chatting!